I used to think sneezes rocketed out at 100 miles per hour. Everyone says it, right? So I dug into the actual research, and here's what blew my mind. That 2013 PALOS 1 study, they actually measured real sneezes with high-speed cameras and airflow sensors. Turns out, the whole 100 mph thing is way oversimplified. Studies like experimental measurements of airflow features and numerical modeling of sneeze and hospital lift show the sneeze jet is super complex. What's actually happening is the particles and droplets travel at different speeds, and the air turbulence creates this wild micro-explosion effect. So yeah, sneezes are powerful and fascinating, but that 100 mph number, it's more myth than fact. The real science is way cooler when you break it down, because now we understand how those droplets actually spread in indoor spaces, which is pretty important stuff.